the support after surgery is incredibly, incredibly important. So I'm glad we're talking about this. Definitely, the more support you can get from family and friends, the better. Some people, a lot of people don't understand what the surgery is about, don't understand what you need and don't need. And so I try to educate patients on what to ask for from their support people. So, for example, there's no part of me that wants anybody in my family to tell me what I can and cannot eat or chastise me for eating something. But sometimes I'll say to my husband, hey, when you're on your way home from work, don't call me and ask if I want something because I'll have been fine. But if you call me at 10 at night and say, hey, I'm going to Jack in the Box, do you want anything? Of course I'm going to want something, right? So I have, kind of had to train him. Don't call me and ask me if I want anything on your late nights coming home. So yeah, talk to your family about the kind of support you do and don't need from them. And if they're not able to give that to you, it's hard, but you're going to have to find workarounds from it. So, you may not be able to change the way that your spouse is eating or the kinds of foods that they're bringing into the house, but you may be able to say, hey, can you store that in the freezer in the garage instead of right in the middle of, where I'm making dinner. And then I also think that getting some professional support after surgery is super, super important. So that can be from, your surgeon, it can be from a dietitian, it can be from other patients who've gone through this. But you definitely want to have somebody else in your court that knows what they're doing and that you can ask questions of, you can, get ideas from. I think that the post-op support, people really underestimate the importance of that. And there's so much that goes into the pre-op part of it and things that you're required to do. But definitely, I would say do not neglect the post-op support. I think it's probably one of the most important bits of this.